Hey, welcome back to SVO.ai onboarding series. So in this session, we're going to dive deep in one of the most exciting feature in SVO.ai, and that is Creative Agent. We're living in a moment where AI has completely changed the copywriting and creative games. What used to take a full team of 5 people, a copywriter, a designer, a video editor, a strategist, and a researcher, can now be done using just our creative agents. Not only it is faster, but often with better results because our system is being trained by real proven data. I'm talking about every top entrepreneurs in SVO. They have generated millions of dollars of revenues. We have taken all their creatives for the past 9 years. Up until this date, we are constantly feeding our AI to get smarter and smarter. The AI can think like them. Every output you get is guided by conversion-driven real data. So let's dive in. You can find the Creative Agent section right here. Of course, there's a lot of features inside, but today I'm just going to highlight a few where I think it's necessary to have. So the first feature that I want to highlight is this. If you want to write a completely new script from scratch, you can use this video script generator. Click New Chat and select the product you want and language and submit. It will ask you to pick a persona, an audience that you want to target. Now, this audience are proven to convert based on past data, so you want to pick one. I'm going for the middle-aged adult. Now, when you look at the output, you might think it's just a normal script, but under the surface, every line is designed with proven conversion elements. You have the hook, the problem, the agitation, and the realization and the solution, and you have the product, the ingredients, the credibility and the authority, and lastly you have the call to actions. So the next thing you can do is, if you are satisfied with the structure, you can just reply 1 for another script, or you can reply 2 if you want a new angle. So there you go. This is another script that is targeting the same audience but just with a different writing style. The good thing is this is built in a chart box style. This means you can adjust anything you want. You want to tweak the hook, reframe the offer, change the call to action. It gives you the flexibility to keep refining it until it feels exactly right for you. The next feature, let's talk about one of my favorite parts inside Creative Agent, the break and remake tool. Here's what it does. You take any proven winning script. It doesn't matter it's from skincare, fitness, or finance or tech. The system will deconstruct it line by line. It breaks the script down to its core fundamentals. So why does this matter? Because marketing is universal. A great ad works not because of the product, but because of the structure. This principle works across every industry. So once it is deconstructed, the tool then rebuilds a whole new script, but this time it's about your product. So that means you're not starting from scratch and you're not guessing what works. You're building on top of a framework that's already been tested and proven to convert. This is how you shortcut years of trial and error instead of reinventing the wheel. This feature, break and remake, works even better when you use it together with 2 other tools, the trend analyzer and the audio transcript. So here's how it works. Our system crawls the internet daily, pulling in top performing videos across different industries. These are the ads and scripts that are already working right now. We have categorized them to top of the funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel. And you can see there's a lot right here. So what you can do is to click on the link, go to the video, download it, and then you put it into our audio transcript. With just one click, you can generate a transcript of those winning videos, and then you drop them to break and remake. You select your product, and instantly the system rebuilds it into a script tailored for your product. So think about it for a second. Those original ads might have had a whole professional marketing team behind them, and in just a few minutes you are able to leverage all of their experience, all of their proven thinking, and translate it into content that sells your product. So that's the power of combining trend analyzer, transcript, and break and remake. So you can browse through other feature. I think the other feature is pretty straightforward, so you can spend some time play around with them. For example, you can ask it to write captions, or you can do a video rundown. It will give you idea on how do you match your visual with your script. And here we have landing page framework. It helps you to structure a landing page sales script. You can do a face swap. If you want to look like Asian or you want to look like American, you can do it here. Pretty straightforward, text to speech. You give it the script, it will read it for you. Same as well for image generator. You have different tools right here. For example, you can do like a billboard changer, change your background. You can do product comparison photo, UGC photos, before after showcase, and so on. So remember, the winner is always the one that can create, test, and adapt the fastest. SVO.ai Creative Agent gives you that speed and leverage. So here's what I want you to do next. Go to Creative Agent and start generating your first script and experience what it feels like to have a full marketing team right at your fingertips. So that's it for the video today. I'll see you on the next one.